So hello guys, in this video we will going to learn about how to configure passwordless SSH between Windows 11 and the Linux machine. Okay, so you can see on the screen that we are currently using PowerShell. Okay, so we are in the Windows 11. Now once we are SSH to the target machine, okay, it is asking for the password because we have not set any passwordless SSH yet now. So you can see this is the putty application. Okay, so using this we can configure the passwordless SSH. Okay, so this will be first one, and the next one is the manual configuration of the putty. So here, after opening the puttygen application, okay, so we have to click on the generate keys. Okay, so it will going to generate two keys. Okay, first one is the private key which we will kept on the Windows 11 machine, and the second one is public key which we will store on the target machine. Okay, so this way it will create a connection between the Windows 11 and Linux machine. Okay, so that we can log in without having any password. Okay, so this will take some time. So after doing this we will going for the manual configuration. Okay, so the important part is here that we need to keep our private key on the Windows 11 machine and paste the public key. Okay, Windows 11 public key we should have to paste on the target machine. Okay, so that it can create a connection between both of them, right? So this is done. So you can see here public key and private key has been generated. So first of all we will copy the public key, then log on the target machine. Okay, so this time go there, right? So go inside the SSH directory. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, now we should need to paste our public key, Windows 11 public key, inside this authorized key file. Okay, so this has been pasted right now, so we will save it. Okay, done. So just that, this much is enough. We can log in now using the private key. We are saving our private key on the Windows 11 desktop. Okay, so that we can start it. Now click on the private key, it will be run. You can see here it will running as an P agent in the background on the Windows 11 machine. Okay, so now we need to start the putty application. Okay, so that we can check the login is successful or not. Okay, so just click on the SSH share connection. Okay, now we are logging, right? So you can see this time it didn't ask for the password. Okay, so this way we can configure our passwordless SSH between the Windows 11 and the Linux machine using the putty key, using the putty application. Okay, so this is using the putty, but if you want to do it manually it is more easy than this. Okay, so you can see it won't working, it doesn't working with that. Okay, so we will close the P agent. Okay, and then go inside the PowerShell. Okay, so we will use a key. Okay, manually we will do from Windows 11 to target machine Linux. Okay, so for creating, you can see here this is our current directory. Okay, we are inside the home directory of the current user. So we will use ssh-keygen. This is the command using which we can create our public and private key. Okay, so this is the id_rsa, this is private key. Okay, it will ask for the RSA passphrase, but we should have to keep entering. Then you can see in the SSH directory on the Windows 11 machine that there is id_rsa, which is private key, and public key. So again we need to copy the public key from the Windows 11. Okay, and then go inside the target Linux machine, go inside the SSH directory. Then again we need to paste our public key inside the authorized keys file. Okay, so this has been done. Just save it. Okay, you can cross check using the cat command. So this is done. Now we can log in on the target machine. So this time it doesn't ask for the password. Okay, so this way we can configure manually. Also we can configure the passwordless SSH connection between the Windows and the Linux machine. So this way we can do it, but this is only for the Oracle user. Okay, we have configured the passwordless SSH for the Oracle user. If you want to log in other than the configured user, you again need to configure the passwordless SSH configuration. Okay, so this time we are logging as a root user. Okay, so we have not configured the same, but we will again copy the public key of the Windows 11 machine and then paste it on the target machine as a root user. Okay, so you can see we are logging as a root user on the target machine. Just go inside the SS directory there, and then there is no authorized key, so we need to have to create one. For that you can see the permission also 6000. So again change the permission to 6000. Okay, so again we will paste the public key of the Windows 11 machine on the in the authorized key, okay, file. So just it is done. So now we will try to log in as a root user on the target machine. So you can see this time it doesn't ask for the password. Okay, so this way we can configure it, but okay, so you need to have configured it again and again for many users as you want. Okay, so this way it will work. So just keep in mind that permission should be valid. Okay, so for authorized key it should be 600, for the private key it should be 600, and for public key again it should be 644. Okay, so this way the permission should be keep in mind. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.